Welcome to my video showcasing the 5 best smart gadgets you can buy this year. Technology has made life simpler and much more convenient, and these gadgets are evidence of that. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the top-rated, most advanced smart gadgets on the market that will make your everyday life easier and more enjoyable. From the latest voice-activated assistant to the most innovative home automation device, you'll be sure to find something that fits your lifestyle and budget. So let's get started. Number 4. Ringo Bottle. The Ringo Bottle is an innovative and convenient way to take photos and videos, follow recipes, or even video chat with loved ones. It magnetically holds your phone and is adjustable to get the perfect angle and height. With its double-wall stainless steel water bottle and ultra-strong MagSafe phone mount, you don't need to worry about your phone falling off or carrying a bulky tripod around. The Ringo Bottle also has advanced bottle tech to keep your drink hot or cold all day long and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It's the perfect replacement for your traditional tripod and is great for travelers, YouTubers, content creators, live streamers, gamers, or athletes. Make sure to check out the Ringo Bottle for an easy and useful way to take photos and videos. Number 3. Koroal EDC Tool Pen. The Koroal EDC Tool Pen is an amazing multifunctional tool for everyday use, travel, or outdoor activities. It not only has a writing function, but also comes with a flashlight, alarm, and glass breaker for emergency rescue. It is made from solid aircraft-grade aluminum alloy 6061 with a stainless steel pen clip and CNC machine body for long-lasting strength. The light mode has 2 settings with a max output of 180 lumens and a max throw of 50 meters, and the alarm can reach up to 200 meters. The pen is rechargeable and can last up to 8 hours on flashlight and 2 hours on personal alarm. The compass head is perfect for accurate directions, and the ink is quick-drying and compatible with other refills. Altogether, Koroal is a great defense safety gadget for everyone. Number 2. Buddie Battery. The Buddie Battery is a revolutionary power bank with a unique snap-and-swap modular design. This convenient and versatile feature allows users to customize their power bank with the exact tools they need for different situations. It is an ideal choice for outdoor activities, travel, and emergency situations as it is highly portable, reliable, and efficient. With a capacity of 5,000 mAh, it can charge most smartphones more than one time and fast-charge devices with its PT 20-watt feature. In addition, it has an interchangeable battery and a camping light that provides a bright and natural light in dark environments. The Buddie Battery project aims to get this game-changing and customizable power bank onto the market, and they are always innovating and developing new tools to enhance your life. In short, Buddie Battery is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and customizable power bank for their everyday needs. Number 1. Sol Grow. The Sol Grow Solar Garden Grow Light is a revolutionary product for those looking to start their own garden. This innovative light source is powered by solar energy and provides the perfect light spectrum for plants to maximize photosynthesis and energy utilization. This provides a cost-effective way to grow plants indoors or outdoors. The ease of use, efficient design, and affordability make this product a must-have for any aspiring gardener.